Hailstorm, hailstorm. Sabi nga yung hailstorm na yan. Hailstorm, bagyo. Parang daw mga laking bato dito. Ice, grabe yung ice. Ganito kalaki yung
my
ice.
God.
Parang bato. Basag yung windshield mo dito matamaan. Buti nakasalba itong ano niya, port niya ni Sir Carlos. Grabe.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster.
Bukid dito, halos di makita. O tubig oh. Tubig, paingaw ng tubig dito sa kuan. Mua. Baha na diya. So, delikado din diya pon diri. Delikado din pala dito mag ano. Mag-ulan dito ng grabe ng ulan sa oras, baka baha dito sa among lugar. Dito sa New Mexico. We are located in south area ng Amerika. Dito pala dito. Oh my god. So keep safe kayo dyan, no? Ilang lang 20 minutes lang yung hailstorm dito. Lakas-lakas ang hailstorm. Ito yung nila ice kanina, oh. Thunderstorm kanina pero naipataban ice. Hanggang kay naning ice, oh. Nahilis na. Naning ice. Pero nahilis na. Oh, ice na dia. Pod. Mo sakyan na mo. Dako kini katabang nakatulong talaga tong ano nila, carport. Temporary dyan ko nilagay. Grabe yung ice kanina. Oh, ito ice oh. Oh, tapok ng ice. Oh. A while ago, there was just a weather advisory that there's a thunderstorm. Pero yung thunderstorm dito sa New Mexico, mga amigo, kani ice. Thunderstorm nila na ice bay. Ang delikado magbiyahe basta na advisory thunderstorm. Huwag kayong magbiyahe ng may thunderstorm. Yan bahay namin. Pag dito, pag uulan dito ng ano, ilang minuto. Kanina, almost 20 minutes nag-ulan. Thunderstorm pero may ice eh. HailStorm eh. Baha agad, 20 minutes lang. So ganito pala dito sa New Mexico. No, selected areas lang naman siguro. Kaya sa ibang village wala naman. Dito lang sa amin. Diyan yung highway diyan. Kanina wala makikita diyan, wala makikita na. Grabe yung ulan, dikit-dikit. Dami pang mga ice, maliliit na ice. Iba malalaki. Parang mga bato bumagsak sa sa roof, on the roof, man. Kaya mahirap pala dito din sa ganitong klaseng thunderstorm dito sa New Mexico. July ngayon? July, di ba nga July ngayon?
Oh my God.
12? 13? July 12 yata. 11. O 10, 11. 11 na ngayon. 12 bukas. July 12, 2021. Ganito. Natulungan yung namin ito, yung roof dyan. Delikado pala dito mag thunderstorm sa New Mexico. So ingat kayo dyan guys. This is Carmos TV on the mix.